Okay, KG5EIU, going to show you how to use the ST4001W utility from Icom. It's a control software to upload photos to the IC9700 using the firmware 1.2 later. So the first thing you have to do is go out to the Icom global site. You want to look for ST4001W utility. Go ahead and download that. I've already downloaded it and I've already loaded it. Here it is here on my desktop. So I'll go ahead and launch it. And when you start the software, you'll see that it comes up. And the first thing you want to do is go to your radio. You'll need to have your radio on the same subnet. If you look at your settings, there's transfer settings. You'll need the IP address from your radio. And if you get into photo or picture mode and then go hit the I, you'll see on the screen there, and it'll be a little pop-up window here I have in the video, overlay video, the address that I'm using, which is the IP address of my Icom 9700 on the same network. So once you have that set up and configured, you'll be able to transfer photos from your Windows machine over to your 9700. So the first thing you want to do is maybe look for a photo to transfer. So what I'll do is I'm going to go grab one off my Flickr account. Right here, this looks good. I'll go ahead and download the original of that, and that's just in the browser. I'm using any old picture off the network, and then I'll go back to the utility, and I'm going to open that photo. So it saved it to my downloads directory. Here it is here. It's the dolphin picture, and I'll load it in. And what you can see here in the window is that I have a zoom tab. I can zoom in and out, and then I have a crop tab over here. So I like the maximum size. I got the nose of this other dolphin, so you know, maybe I just want to trim it down a little bit like this. And so this size is the edit side. You can also rotate the picture if you wanted to. And then this will be the picture that gets saved to the radio. Now you have some settings over here, and it brings up a sub-menu. And you can put some text overlay on the pictures, like your call sign, like I have here. And you can select top left, bottom left, like wherever you would like to go. I'm going to put mine over on the bottom right. And you can control the font type and the font size. You can give it an outline. You can make it bold. You can make it italic, or just leave it plain. So I'm going to go with the blue and white outline with the font that I've chosen there. And I'm done with that setting menu. And now remember, I've set my transfer settings here to the radio. And as soon as I click transfer, I'm going to get a pop-up screen on the radio that says the application has requested to transfer a picture. Save the picture onto the SD card and exit the TX picture. I click yes on the radio, and there it is, loaded in the 9700, ready for transmission. So that's it. That's all there is to the picture utility software from Icom, using the IC9700 and the version 1.20 firmware that was released early of October 2019. You can transfer pictures up to the SD card and get them in the right format, and even do a little text overlay. Have fun. 7.3 from KG5EIU.